the meandering begin. We're headed down to the Taos area. Man, I really have trouble pronouncing things. I don't know if it's just me or other people. Hopefully other people too. Heading down to the Taos area, gonna do some hiking. Gonna camp out with some friends on their property, park the van on their property. I think it's pretty damn cold, so we're gonna get the money's worth out of this heater. Let's go. So I was just driving along and saw something on the side of the road that I just have to go check out.
Look at all those chickens!
Just here with the locals. Couple alpacas just wandering around, no big deal.
So there was still hope that we're in this debased age. He couldn't be, but with the sail on the bottom. What can possess? Odium standing in front of him. Me, but the...
You know, I'm really still trying to get the hang of this whole van life thing. And I'm really not sure where I'm actually allowed to park and what's completely off limits, but you know, we're here in a trailhead parking lot. I did all I could to read all the signs. And if someone knocks on the door, then we'll see what happens. Until then, happy van lifing, folks.